everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadia and today you're watching a dance tutorial video. Today we're going to learn Jennie Kim's Sad Girl Love Money choreography that she uploaded on her Instagram. Also, this video is mirrored so you can just follow directly the right and left. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell because I will reply to all my early birds. So, let's go! I'm going to dub today's tutorial video because I realized that I need a microphone for this kind of video but I haven't found the right one yet. So yeah, enjoy my annoying voice. So the first 8 counts is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. The counts are very tricky, so let's break it down one by one. So the hand goes 1 and 2. Do it smoothly like you're an angel flying in the sky, And the step goes to the right side and then to the left side. So it's 1 to the right and 2 to the left. Now let's combine it all together. Let's fly to the right and fly to the left. And 3, you want to bring your left foot up and then put it in front of you in an open position like this. And 4, do it once again. And 5 and 6, 7, push forward, and 8. Okay, from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. From here, it's just 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, your right hand, brush it through your hair, and push your left knee forward. 1. And 2, push your right knee forward and hands on your knee. So 1, 2. So 3, hit, and 4, wave, and 5, push your butt, and 6, step to the right side, left, right. Pay attention to the left shoulder. You want to bring it down first and up and then down. Let me show you guys once again. It's down, up, down. And you want to tiptoe your right leg and then left and then right. So let's now combine it all together as right, left, right. And let your chest follow your whole body movement. Right, left, right. Okay, from the top, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, let me go back to the center. So do the shoulder and chest movement once again to the left side, but push your hand down. And then step right, left, right, and then turn around. And then step your right foot to the front, and you want to go down. For 6, pull your left hand up and brush your right hand up your legs. So yes, touch that legs, girl. And 7, 8. Yes, put that hands up, baby. Okay, let's do it again from the very top. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So you want to put your left hand behind your head and right hand down like this, like you have a neck problem. 1, yes. And you want to tiptoe your left foot up like this. So 1. And at the same time, you want to pull inside. 1. And you want to throw it 2. And then pull inside. And 3. And pull inside again. And 4. And pull inside. Then you want to push forward, so make a circle on your body and push forward. 5, 6, turn around and hit to the left side. 7, hit to the right side. 8. Let's do the set. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. From here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you want to wave your body to the back and put both your hands on the forehead like this. So, whoa, I've dodged a bullet. And 3, make a half circle with your hips and open your hands to the side like this. So, 3 and 4. Let's do it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, push your right hand to the front and left hand behind your head. So from here, it's wave to the left and push your left knee forward to the left like this. So you want to shift your body to the left side. This. And pull your right hand back like you're trying to pull your face forward like that. 6. Your hips to the left. So it's and 6 and then 7. Look to the left side, then slide to the left. From the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. From here, you want to slap your left foot, so slap and 1, hanging like a monkey, and then hanging 2, 3, 4. After this, you want to jump to the right, so lift your right foot up from monkey, and then up and step. Chest out and then chest in, chest out and then chest in. Your right foot follow your chest out, in and out, out, in. What am I saying? Once again, from the top, it's slap and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and then it's 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So push your hand up and then to the front and your legs go right, left, right. So right, left, right, facing the sky, and then jump, close your legs, tap your shoulder, tap open, so close, open, and bounce your body down, up, then lift your right legs up and step to the left. And the hand goes up like this, then go down. You want to make sure that you are not just stepping to the left, but you are jumping to the left. So 1, 2, and 3, and then 4, like skipping the rope. Then push to the left, it's 5. Push to the right, it's N. Push to the left, it's 6. Okay, let's start again from praising the sky. It's 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. And then turn around, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bounce. So from here, you want to turn around, wee, and then step your left foot open, plus circle your hips to the left. So left, and then right, and then left, and then right. Really feel it like you're trying to seduce someone, like ooh. Then make a half circle with your right leg. So circle and your hand goes like this. So from shake your hips and then do half circle and then put your hands up and down to your right side and bounce back to the front. Okay, let's do it again from the top slowly. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and bounce. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bounce. So that's it for today's tutorial video. You can now try with the full song. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it helps you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.